Welcome to the online lecture series on 8051 microcontroller. In this video lecture, we shall see the 8051 stack. Now, stack is a section of memory. Okay, it is a section of RAM used by the microcontroller to store information temporarily. Okay, this is very important. So it is part of your 128 bytes of internal RAM itself. Okay. If you see your internal RAM, you have 128 bytes of internal RAM. Fine. From 00 to 7FH. As we have seen earlier, the first 32 bytes are for the general purpose registers. The next 16 bytes is for bit addressable area, and the remaining area is your general purpose area. The first point to be noted is stack is part of this memory itself. Okay. Second, functionally, stack is used for storing the information temporarily. How it is done, we shall see this later. Okay. Secondly, the register used to access the stack is the stack pointer. Okay. So this 8-bit stack pointer register holds the address of the stack. Okay. Basically, it is holding the address of internal RAM itself. But since we are referring here the memory as stack memory because of the functionality, I am referring this as stack address. Okay, so this stack pointer is 8 bits wide, meaning it can take values from 00H to FFH. Okay, so any part of this memory you can define it as stack. Okay, but most of the time the area from general purpose area is used as a stack, but by default, that is on reset, the stack pointer will be always pointing to the memory location 07H. What does it mean? So unless and until you reinitialize the stack pointer, by default the stack pointer will be pointing to the memory location 07H. So that is the default stack pointer value. Okay. Then there are two important operations related to the stack. One we call it as the push operation, the other we call it as the pop operation. Push is nothing but saving the contents onto the stack memory. Okay. Then whatever you have saved, retrieving those contents is called as the pop operation. Fine. So saving the contents of the register or memory onto the stack is referred as push operation, and retrieving the contents of register or memory from the stack is called as pop operation. Okay, so to summarize, point number 1, stack is temporary memory and it is part of your internal RAM. Second, to access the stack, you have a register called stack pointer, which is addressed by the name SP, and it is 8 bits wide. By default, the value of the stack pointer is 07H. Fine. Saving the contents on the stack is done by an operation called as push operation. Retrieving the contents is done from the stack is done by a pop operation. So in the next video lecture, we shall see what is a push operation and what is a pop operation. Thank you.